Hey guys, Chad Jenkins, SeedSpark Collab. In the most recent video, we began to unpack at a much deeper level, collect. It's the first part of the IC3 framework. If you'll recall, IC3 stands for collect, combine, and create. And from a visual standpoint, I always think of that as a flywheel. One stacking on top of each other to create this maximum outcome. So let's move on to a little deeper dive. And the second portion is combine. This, I feel like, is the catalyst for all forward momentum. You can't help it, as I mentioned in the very first video, introducing this flywheel concept of IC3, that as long as you're given the ability to become conscious tomorrow, you're going to collect relationships, knowledge, awarenesses, and experiences. It just happens. You barely have to show up. It's natural. What is not as natural, and what you as an entrepreneur have to be more intentionally focused on, is the combination. It's taking those knowledge, taking those awarenesses, taking that knowledge, those experiences, and being aware of those relationships, and intentionally trying to combine them with what I classify as what you know, where you know, and who you know. So yesterday, if you were to have met someone, which you did, being intentional about capturing their contact information, it really helps you and sets you up for success today to take it one step further, add value by combining it, let's say, with someone that you already know. So an introduction. Or maybe combining it with something that you already know. Maybe this person was having pricing challenges. Their market's changing, interest rates are going up or interest rates are going down, and that's having an impact on them. Well, you may know some calculator on the internet that you've used for years and years, or potentially have a spreadsheet that you've created that has all these wonderful formulas in it. I'm sure a couple of us have some wonderful Excel sticking around. Being aware of those opportunities, the relationship that you met, teeing you up to combine it with something you already know, that Excel spreadsheet, inevitably creates value, inevitably creates trust. And it puts you in a place to begin leveraging those relationships or awarenesses or experiences or that new knowledge in a much higher performing outcome than if you just take it in. It's all about combination. So that's one thing about this IC3 framework. It's really, really been empowering, not only to myself, I was kind of running this framework already. I'm so fortunate I do it naturally, but to those that I'm in support of, all entrepreneurs across the globe who are doing it their own way. As I'm seeing them be more intentional about the combination, I'm also seeing what they're creating. As we move toward the idea economy, which is coming up in a future video we're about to release, is the awareness that the task economy is no longer, and the idea economy is now. Entrepreneurs, those with true vision, that are running this IC3 flywheel and creating things every day, really puts them in a place to win. I look forward to unpacking that in a video coming soon. Thanks for stopping by.